In this video, I'm going to show you the complete journey of how Lay's chips are made, from the farm all the way to the final packet. Everything begins at the farm. Farmers grow special varieties of potatoes that are perfect for making chips. When the harvest season arrives, massive machines go deep into the soil and pull out thousands of fresh potatoes. These fresh potatoes are then carefully loaded into huge trucks for transportation. The potatoes are sent to a big modern Lay's factory for further processing. The first important step inside the factory is thorough washing. High-pressure water jets and big rotating brushes clean thousands of potatoes, removing all dirt and mud completely. After washing, the potatoes go into large automatic peeling machines that remove the outer skin quickly and efficiently. Clean peeled potatoes move forward on the conveyor belt, looking bright white and ready for the next important step in the process. Thousands of these thin potato slices are continuously falling and moving forward on the conveyor belt towards the frying area. Now these thin potato slices enter the giant hot oil fryers. Here they are fried at the perfect temperature, bubbling vigorously until they become golden and crispy. Inside the giant hot oil fryers, the potato slices are bubbling and frying rapidly at controlled temperature. They gradually turn from pale to beautiful golden crispy potato chips. After frying, the golden chips move onto vibrating conveyor belts where excess oil is drained off carefully. Now the crispy chips enter the seasoning stage where different flavors are evenly applied on every single chip. Large seasoning drums tumble the chips while special machines spray salt, cream onion, masala, and other flavors evenly. Quality control cameras and sensors carefully inspect every batch of chips for color, crispiness, and perfect seasoning. After quality check, the perfectly seasoned crispy chips are now ready for the final packaging stage. High-speed automatic packaging machines weigh the chips and fill them into Lay's packets with great precision. The packets are automatically sealed at high speed to keep the chips fresh and crispy for a long time. Thousands of sealed Lay's packets move rapidly on the conveyor belt, ready to be packed into big boxes. The finished packets are packed into large cardboard boxes which will be sent to stores all over the world. The packed boxes are then moved to the warehouse where they are stored before being shipped to different countries. Every day, millions of people enjoy these crispy chips without knowing the amazing process behind them. This is the complete journey of how your favorite Lay's potato chips are made, from farm to your packet.